Have you ever found yourself on YouTube endlessly scrolling, and then a video catches your eye? Top 10 places to visit before you die, or 15 bucket list places to see before you die. It's almost irresistible, right? In this Best Faceless YouTube channel ideas video, we're diving into why these videos capture our attention. Travel videos have a unique appeal, drawing in two main types of viewers. First, there are the travel enthusiasts, those of us who live and breathe to explore new places. Watching these videos is simply part of our passion. Then, there's another group driven by FOMO, the fear of missing out. This feeling isn't just about wanting to stay in the loop, it's a deeper urge to experience what the world has to offer before it's too late. These videos serve as both inspiration and a guide for planning future adventures. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone yearning not to miss out on the world's wonders, you're in the right place. Let's explore together the places that make our world truly remarkable. Traveling is generally simple and enjoyable. Most people love to explore. They look forward to visiting new places, meeting different people, and experiencing unique cultures and cuisines. This popularity explains why YouTube's faceless travel channels with AI without showing your face are among the most subscribed categories. These channels often boast subscribers in the millions and offer extensive information about various destinations. Such content is particularly useful for first-time travelers planning their visits. Due to their popularity, these channels generate significant income each month. Their widespread appeal leads to a high number of monthly views. However, their earnings are not limited to YouTube alone. They also benefit from other revenue streams, such as brand deals in this category. Travel and leisure brands are keen to collaborate with creators in this category, aiming to promote their products or services through these videos. In return, creators are compensated well for these partnerships. Whether it involves hotel brands, travel agencies, or companies related to leisure, there are ample sponsorship opportunities across these categories. Therefore, the potential for earning is high, and the category enjoys popularity. As a result, competition within this field is also substantial. Indeed, it's important to understand that this is a competitive niche, but it's not oversaturated. The vast audience for this category on YouTube ensures there is always space for new creators. The key is to produce outstanding content that provides value and meets the audience's needs, leaving viewers impressed and eager for more. Creating engaging content might seem challenging, but don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Make sure you watch the entire video without skipping, so you don't miss any crucial information. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start your own faceless travel channel. Let's begin with topic research, especially if you're new to this. Creating a channel and producing videos on random topics might slow your growth, especially since larger channels cover a broad range of subjects. Mimicking their approach could make it difficult to compete. So, what should you do when starting out? The key is to focus on searchable topics. When you launch your channel, it's crucial to create content based on topics that people are actively searching for. But how do you identify these topics? To find out which topics are being searched for, simply open your browser and switch to incognito mode. This way, YouTube will show you suggestions as if you were a new viewer. In the search bar, try searching for phrases like top 10 places to visit in the USA. You'll likely see suggestions such as best places to visit in the USA, top 10 cities to visit in the USA, top 10 tourist places to visit in USA, and Georgia, USA top 10 places to visit. These search results can guide you in choosing popular topics for your videos. Noticing that top 10 places to visit in the USA is a common search term with thousands of existing videos, you can refine your search strategy for more specific topics. By simply adding "in" after top 10 places to visit in the USA and observing YouTube suggestions, you can explore a variety of angles. Similarly, replacing words to form queries like top 10 places to visit in the USA for couples, for friends, for honeymoon, etc., will yield more specialized suggestions. These modifications help uncover a wide range of topics that people are searching for on YouTube, indicating a high interest in such content. When you search for these refined topics, you'll notice a variety of videos appearing in the results. It's crucial to pay attention to the top 4 or 5 videos in these search results. Observe their lengths, which may vary around 8, 9, or 10 minutes. If you plan to create a video on a similar topic, understanding how to rank your video higher is essential. Here's a valuable strategy. To enhance the chance of your video ranking in the top positions, aim to make your video 1 or 2 minutes longer than those top 5 videos. This approach can help distinguish your content and potentially improve its ranking on YouTube. Indeed, ensuring your video is 1 or 2 minutes longer than the top 5 videos on the topic is a crucial strategy for ranking your content on YouTube. This principle serves as a foundational guideline in optimizing your video's performance. Having conducted your topic research and chosen top 10 places to visit for a honeymoon as your subject, the next step involves script creation. To start crafting your script, simply focus on your selected topic. For instance, you'd concentrate on developing content around the top 10 places to visit on honeymoon. This focus will guide your research and content development as you proceed to script writing. When you search for top 10 places to visit on honeymoon, numerous articles and websites will appear. By exploring these resources, you can gather all the necessary information for your script. As you find relevant details, such as the names of the top honeymoon destinations and some background information on each. Copy and paste this data into a Word document. This process allows you to compile the essential elements needed for your script. Next, you'll organize this collected information into a structured format suitable for your video script. This step is critical for transforming your research into an engaging narrative for your audience. To proceed with creating a YouTube video on top places to visit for honeymoon, you can use ChatGPT to refine your script and structure the information effectively. If you have an article or key details related to your topic, please paste that information here. With the content provided, ChatGPT can assist in organizing the information, enhancing the narrative, and even drafting sections of your script. This step is crucial for turning your research into an engaging and informative video script tailored to your audience's interests. Press Enter now from your keyboard. ChatGPT has provided you with a new, copyright-free article. This script is ready for your video and voiceover use. Feel free to use your own voice or opt for an AI voice. The choice is yours. To create a voiceover, visit the recommended website and sign up. Navigate to the text-to-speech section, enter your text into the provided box, and generate your voiceover. For a comprehensive guide, I've created a detailed video that you can watch after this session. Now, let's proceed to the next step and focus on creating the main content. To produce a video, start by visiting canva.com, click on Create a Design, and select the video size. For this example, we're choosing the size for a longer video, but you also have the option to create shorter videos such as shorts. Begin by navigating to the Elements section and searching for visuals related to your video topic. Then proceed to the Video section and select any video that matches your topic. Drag the chosen video to the editing area. Right-click and select Set Video as Background, then trim the video from the beginning or end as needed. You only require 5 to 6 seconds of footage. After editing, click on the Share button and download the video to your device. Repeat this process for each topic. Select the video, set it as background, trim unnecessary parts, and then download. To save time, I'll fast forward through these steps. Now that we've collected our stock footage on our device, it's time to assemble them. We'll be using CapCut on PC for editing. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on Import to add your voiceover files. Import your stock footage from Canva next. After importing, drag the voiceover files to the audio timeline. Then, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, drag your first video onto the timeline, listen to the audio, and adjust the video accordingly. Follow this by adding the second and third videos. If you need to display a location name or any other text on the screen, navigate to the Text tab, select a suitable text style, and enter your text. Continue to drag each video into place according to your voiceover. Position the text wherever needed. To expedite the process, I'll fast forward through these steps. If you're looking to enhance the flow between scenes, consider adding transitions. Select different transitions to apply between your video clips for a smoother visual experience. Once you've finished adding transitions, it's time to enhance your video with effects. Incorporating effects can significantly improve the visual appeal of your video and help it stand out, especially since many people might be using the same stock footage. Utilizing effects not only adds a unique touch to your content, but also supports the reuse of content in a fresh way. I recommend always incorporating effects to elevate the quality and distinctiveness of your videos. For the final touch, we'll add captions using CapCut. If your video is in English, you can automatically generate captions within CapCut. However, if your video is in Hindi or any other language not supported by CapCut's auto caption feature, you will need to use alternative apps like Blank or Captions to create your captions. To use CapCut's auto caption for English videos, simply click on the text option, then select auto caption, and it will generate captions within 2 minutes. I personally appreciate and often use this caption template for its efficiency and ease of use. Select any color for your captions. I'll go with red and add black strokes for contrast. The next step is to add copyright-free music, which can be sourced from the YouTube audio library. Once you've chosen your music, drag the audio file onto the timeline. Adjust the music level to -24 dB to ensure it complements the voiceover and video content without overpowering them. Apply a fade-in effect at the beginning of the music and trim any excess from the end, finishing with a fade-out effect for a smooth audio exit. With these final adjustments, your video is complete. To finalize, simply click on the Export button and choose to export your video in 1080p HD format for the best quality. How to create a faceless YouTube channel. Must watch this comprehensive low-fee video that covers the entire process of setting up a faceless channel, including choosing a brand name, optimizing titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags for SEO, and following YouTube's algorithm to enhance visibility and engagement before publishing your video. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to say something. All right, friends, as we come to the end of our video, I'm really interested in hearing about your experiences with creating a faceless travel channel in 2024 using free AI tools in just 10 minutes. Please share your insights and results in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more amazing tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Here's the final faceless travel video.
Are you and your partner dreaming of a romantic escape to celebrate the beginning of your forever? Well, you're in luck, because today, we're diving into the top 10 honeymoon destinations around the world that promise love, adventure, and memories to last a lifetime. Number 1 honeymoon destination: Maldives. First up, the Maldives, where luxury meets paradise. Imagine waking up to the sight of crystal-clear waters right from your overwater villa. The Maldives isn't just a destination. It's an experience, tailor-made for couples seeking an idyllic, romantic getaway. Number 2 honeymoon destination: Provence, France. Next, we're off to Provence, France. Wander through mesmerizing lavender fields and explore charming old towns. Provence is all about those lazy days, long strolls, and soaking in the French vibe with your loved one. Number 3 honeymoon destination: Indonesia. Indonesia is a tropical paradise, from the enchanting Bali to the adventurous Komodo National Park. It's a favorite for its stunning landscapes, luxury retreats, and rich cultural experiences, making it a perfect blend of romance and adventure. Number 5 honeymoon destination: Santorini, Greece, the stuff of dreams. This Greek island is more than just a destination, it's a masterpiece painted in blue and white. Picture perfect blue domed churches dotting the landscape while the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. And there you have it, the top 10 honeymoon destinations that promise to start your marriage with an adventure of a lifetime. Which of these romantic getaways is calling your name?
If you're interested in free AI voice cloning, how Pakistan's former PM video speech made from behind the bar, lip sync AI, click on the left. If you want to watch Create AI Talking Avatar Generator, free without watermark, free DID alternative AI video generator, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.